Starting with your phone unlocked, swipe down from the middle of your screen. Type Store in the search entry field. Look for the blue App Store icon in the search results and tap on the App Store icon. Tap the magnifying glass labeled Search in the lower right-hand corner. In the search entry field, type mySugr, M-Y-S-U-G-R, then press Search. Scroll down until you find the mySugr app in the App Store listings. Tap on the mySugr icon. From this screen, you can read reviews, view features, and check compatibility with your phone. Scroll back up and tap the Get button to start downloading and installing. At this point, your phone may ask you to enter your PIN number, use Face ID or Touch ID, or whatever authentication method you have configured for iTunes new apps on your phone. If you encounter any error messages or technical problems while downloading and installing, reach out to support@mysugr.com for help. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Once downloaded and installed, you can open the mySugr app by tapping the Open button here, or by tapping the mySugr icon on your home screen. Log in using the credentials you used during the enrollment process. Or, if you haven't done this yet, you can create a new mySugr ID here by entering your email address. Check your email for the verification code and enter that number on this screen. Create a new password for mySugr and be sure to remember it. Review and check the appropriate terms and conditions, privacy notice, and consent boxes here. You may be prompted with security messages such as this requesting permission to send you notifications. From here, answer a few basic setup questions and you're done. Congratulations! The mySugr app is now downloaded to your smartphone.